Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you're watching this channel. First, subscribe. But Cash App, there has been a lot of scams going on. I'm going to tell you what, I've heard that do not keep no more than $500 because I got scammed today. Somebody logged into my account, changed my email address, my telephone number. I tried to get back in and change it. They just took over my account. And what they were able to do was change my passcode and everything. So I wasn't able to get any help. I tried to call the support line, and that's a scam itself, trying to call the support line. I called a couple of times and then I left a message and they told me to click one that was going to call me back. And when they called me back, I answered the phone. They called me back about 3 hours later. I answered the phone. They kept me on hold for about 30 minutes and then they disconnected the phone. So I heard that they're targeting people that got $500 or more. So I had a little over $2,000 and I don't have no way to get in contact with anybody. So I'm telling you guys, if you got a Cash App, you probably want to look into it or delete it, because if somebody get into it and it looked like it was computer generated, like whenever I got into my Cash App, I would go in, I try to change my name and put it back to my email address and phone number. Within 2 or 3 minutes later, they override that and put their information in. So it's like you competing with a computer, and that's very hard to do. But let me show you what they did to my Bank of America. As you can see, my Bank of America right there, I'm going to see where it's at. It started right here. This Thomas Rodriguez, I think that's who it was. When I looked at my Cash App, you see they transferred 200, 200 again, and it was then 500 and 500, 200 and 200. So you're looking at over. So if you look at that five, that's 1,000. That's 1,200, 1,400 plus. So they was trying to transfer $1,600 in less than a minute, and Cash App did not block them. And now they got access to my, so I cannot even retrieve. I had some Bitcoin that I purchased there on Cash App, and all of that is gone. So like I said, over $2,000 was wiped out of my account in less than a few minutes. And Cash App, they have a number. I'm gonna show you the number. You can contact this number right here, and I'm gonna call it and check out what they do. You call this number, it's after hours right now. But when I'm dialing this number, listen to this.
Calling Cash App support. Please select one if you are a Cash customer.
So I'm going to select one. I'm a Cash customer.
You have reached Cash App voice support outside of our usual business hours. Our in-app support channel is always available. To reach us through the app, tap your profile icon in the right corner of the app, then tap support.
And then they hang up. Simple. And I can't even get to my app. So I create a new one. I use my same email address I had before, and it shows a new account, no transactions. So like I said, make sure you check your Cash App, but they are still in. Somebody's hacking these Cash Apps. So if you guys know a way how I could get my money back, leave a comment below. But like I said, don't keep no more than $500 in your Cash App account, because if they see a little bit more, they're going to target it. They're going to go at it real hard, So I don't know how mine got hacked. I didn't get on those sites or anything. It's just, I hear a lot of people are getting hacked. I don't know if it's this cryptocurrency. And, I did buy some Bitcoin through Cash App, but that's the only thing I can see that I did differently. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the information of the person who hacked my account. Maybe you guys will know if you're having the same problem. It's got his email address and phone number. It's right here. This is his information right here. All right. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.